Hey.
Southside shit.
Nigga, when you hear that whistle, ain't no bird call. Ain't no motherfucking bird call, nigga. But when you hear me talk, that's that bird talk. I ain't never had a brick, but for sure I know I sold 1,000 grams out of whip. 65 for 100, all raw, and I know fit. Niggas talk about the dope game, but they ain't fit. I'm so addicted, I can't quit. My unc still smoking, he can't quit. Me and Bus Mo still dumping out the whip. Every time my flip phone ring, that's a fix. Every time my iPhone ring, they on dick. I ain't even finna answer that. Looking at my phone ring, I don't want shit. Scrolling through my IG, that's a cold bitch. Your son just posted a froze kid. I'm just telling you about my day, my nigga. A little bit about Southside, just wanna get some money. Fucked up 30 bands, tryna see 100. And ain't shit to get it back, cause it wasn't nothing. And I hustle for this shit, boy, it wasn't friendly. You don't know about small towns cause you wasn't dumping. I used to hit Saks Fifth with my Aunt Rhonda. Bitch, I been getting money, I am not lying. Ain't no rap cap, nigga. You niggas capping for How the fuck niggas shooters, niggas not dying? That tough shit played out, nigga, get some cheese. Every day I wake up, boy, my shit ring. That's big cheese, nigga, when you see that flip ding. I won't sell that shit if it ain't pristine. We only selling the best shit around this motherfucker. When I run off Scooby-Doo, I'm selling Christine. I've been fucking up the pasta size 15.
Bitch asked me what's the move today, I told the bitch I'm trapping. G-Money, that's my nigga, we be slapping. Niggas really in these streets taking risks while you be napping. This bitch asked me what's the move today, I told the bitch I'm trapping. Coaching little niggas through these plays, I'm Phil Jackson. I just made some bulldog plays in BigRapids. My plug sent them bitches rapped, I had to unwrap them. Nigga, I'll pull up with a Drake, I'm not scrapping. I'm not lacking. My money come from drugs, not plastic. I'm talking right now, you steady living in the past tense. I'm talking sales, white sales. I don't give a fuck, I'm pulling up on all the clientele. I'm a real trap nigga, all the nigga do is buy and sell. They need to free all the drug dealers out of jail. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. Finna take a trip up north and I ain't coming back. I can take Apple Street or I can go through G. I tried his ass a band for a zip, little nigga, I need that. Feed thought he bought some ice, but I sold his ass some crack. Bitch steady on my ass, why is a bitch steady nagging? Off a perk, irritated cause my phone steady slapping. This dough so strong, boy, it's beating through the plastic. You talking work, boy, and you ain't even having it. MCM belt, purple jeans still sagging. Mag on my waist if a nigga think he jacking. It's some drought, if you come and get some work, boy, I'm taxing you. Nigga, if you run off with a bad cab, whacking you. Nigga, I was just in a height serving prostitutes. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping.
Nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga, I ain't new to this shit, bitch, I been slapping. I cut some players out of BigRapids, nigga.